How to use Databox Enterprise Dashboard properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Databox Enterprise Dashboard is an essential tool for monitoring business performance in real time. But most beginners make mistakes that reduce its effectiveness and even create confusion. The surprising truth is that without proper setup, Databox can overwhelm your team with irrelevant metrics and wasted effort. A common mistake is not defining key metrics. Databox connects to multiple data sources, but beginners often pull in everything, creating cluttered dashboards. Instead, focus on KPIs that directly impact your goals, like lead conversion rates, revenue growth, or customer retention. For example, a sales team should monitor pipeline stages and deal velocity rather than all CRM fields. Another frequent error is neglecting data sources and integration. Databox works best when fully integrated with CRM systems, marketing platforms, and analytics tools. Partial integration leads to missing or inconsistent data, making decisions riskier. Fully connected dashboards ensure accuracy and a complete business picture. Many users also underutilize alerts and notifications. Databox allows automated alerts when metrics cross thresholds. Beginners often ignore these, missing critical changes in performance. For instance, a sudden drop in website traffic or lead generation should trigger immediate attention to prevent lost opportunities. Visualization mistakes are common as well. Beginners may overload dashboards with too many charts or confusing layouts. Simplicity is key. Use clear visualizations and group metrics logically so stakeholders can interpret them instantly. Finally, insufficient training is a hidden cost. Teams need to know how to create custom dashboards, schedule reports, and interpret trends. Investing in training ensures Databox becomes a real-time decision-making tool rather than a static display. To use Databox Enterprise properly, define key metrics, integrate all data sources, set up alerts, design clean dashboards, and train your team. Avoid these common mistakes, and your dashboards will transform from cluttered screens into powerful tools for actionable insights and strategic growth.